So today we are doing something new. This is drone flight every day. This is basically an inspirational project. I will fly my drone every day to inspire you to fly your drone every day, because that's the only way how you can get better at things, is doing them every day. So today we are flying the DJI FPV around these crazy buildings, and we'll do some dives, some flips and rolls, and we'll see what kind of shots can we get. Let's fly. Thank you for watching. That was my drone flight today. Remember, to get better at things, you must do the things you do every day. So fly your drone every day and you'll get better at it very soon. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.